Schalomchen friends!
Schalomchen friends of tuning.
How to make every e-scooter faster part 7, 6, 8? I don't know. Yeah, we have the 9-bot here and we want to show you something. 14 and let's watch how fast is it. Okay.
Okay.
30.
30, okay. Is that all? Oh my goodness.
What the fuck?
What's going on? What's going on?
A F X. Okay, that's a little bit faster than I expected. So
Yeah, let's start with something easier.
I think this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My friends, today we want to show you how to make a scooter faster with a Hobbywing controller. Hobbywing is a brand that makes controller and makes the best controller for e-scooters, electric bikes and so on. And today we want to show you a trick how you can increase the top speed and the acceleration from a lot of e-scooter with a Hobbywing controller. And yeah, this is for another video. This is too much.
Dangerous.
So I bring it again. Bring it away. We have here an electric scooter with a Hobbywing controller. In Germany you can only drive 22 kilometers per hour. In another EU states you can drive 25 kilometers per hour. And in other countries you can drive 31, 32 or faster. But what can you do if you buy a scooter? You are in, you can drive or you want to drive faster than 25 or 22. It's very easy if you have a Hobbywing controller. And now we show you some special trick. There are 2 methods, but we show you both in this video.
There are 3 methods.
Yeah, okay, three.
Okay.
But we show you all.
In this case, it's working for other scooters too.
Okay, in this case you have to press 8 times on the power button. I can show you. Now you have a 13 here. And if you press the gas, you can switch between 1 and 2. In this case, 1 is 22 kilometers per hour and 2 is 25 kilometers per hour. If you want to save this, you have to press the button 8 times again. I show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ich habe mich verzählt. So now we are back. This is a newer Hobbywing controller, and in this case you don't have to push the button 8 times. You have to push the button 20 times. Yeah, it's very difficult at the beginning, but just count to 10 and then count to 10 again. Don't count to 20. It's too
It's too difficult.
It's difficult.
It's fuck your brain up.
Yeah, just make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and so
8.
on.
Okay, so if you have 2 methods, how you can increase the speed of a Hobbywing controller, and the third method is an app. The app is called Uniscooter app.
Yes, and in this case it's important to say that you have 3 speedometer.
You have 22, 25 and 31. You have 3 programs in the in secret menu.
Yeah. And just take the highest number you can. It's 2 or 3, and then you have the most, and then you have the highest speeds you can possibly reach. And now we can show you an app how you can make it slow again in a few seconds, and how you can increase the top speed, how you can increase the acceleration and the e-brake and so on. And now I will show you this, my little friend Dinos. So the app is called Uniscooter. Uniscooter.
It's Apollo City, but in Germany we say Tritt Fritz.
Yeah. Or you can say Fritzos Maximus Totalos. It's also correct. And now we can show you how fast this Gerrit drives. I have to look. Okay, we have 25 kilometers per hour here, and now we can show you how to make this slower and boost the acceleration. So we have to press on Einstellungen.
Einstellungen.
In English it's settings. Now we have to scroll down, my friends, and erweiterte Einstellungen.
It's advanced settings.
And now we have Reaktion auf Beschleunigung. It's the reaction from the acceleration. I don't know.
So how much punch you will get for
Yeah.
the acceleration?
And you see, this is 1 to 10, and make it 10, and it's more fun.
Yeah.
So you can, you can choose it here. It's very easy. Reaktion der Bremse. Reaktion der Bremse means a reaction, is a brake reaction. It's for the electric brake, the reaction time and the power.
Yeah, the power of the brake.
How kraftful the electric brake brakes. Yeah, very easy.
If you want to use e-brake tricks, if you push it here and you have max speed, you can get 2 kilometers extra.
Yeah, we have make an extra video for it. Just look on the channel. It has almost 100k views. Thank you for that. And now I can show you how to make this the e-scooter very fast, slower. And you don't have to tip.
So very fast, slow.
And you don't have to tip 8 or 20 times on this button because this is bullshit. It's very easy. Just here advanced settings and Geschwindigkeitsbegrenzung. Means speed limit, and now you can see, you can choose it, but in this case
800.
it don't goes over 25 kilometers per hour. But I can show you. I mean, you just have to trust that it's correct. No, it's 25, and I make it now slower. 22. Yes. Okay, now it's 22. Very easy and very fast. Yeah, and that was it for the hobby ring controller. If you want, in the next episode we can show you how we make this with a 9-bot. And I think you want to see the 9-bot again. The 9-bot is very funny, but it's just a fun project. In the air, the 9-bot goes 200 kilometers per hour. It's very funny. And now we show you. Just full throttle.
Full throttle.
Full throttle. And now listen. And you see, this is funny, but this is, yeah, you see it.
Do you want to buy some scooters?
Yeah, we have
We have 2.
This is 1/3 from all of our scooters,
Yeah.
because we are very, very rich.
No,
No.
not at all.
Or in Germany, we would say, kann ich vielleicht 5 Euro haben? Okay, my friend Dinos, that was all for this videos. And please leave a comment down below and write in the comments which scooter do you want to see next. If you don't write anything, we show you the 9-bot next, or write 9-bot. If you want to see the 9-bot, we can show you the 9-bot in the next video. Yeah. This is very funny, but this is stupid. This makes no sense. This is just stupid, but it's funny.
Yeah. Okay. I think thank you for watching, and see you maybe in the next video. So like this video and comment below, or we don't make any videos anymore.
And if you like, subscribe, or in Germany we would say, abonniere bitte meinen Kanal, du Penner.
Du kleiner
Thank
Aal.
you.
Danke fürs Zusehen. Ich würde sagen, bis dann.
Tschüss.